Welcome to Redeemlo, and in this video I will show you everything inside Redeemlo, how you can use it and how you can use it in your business and in your campaigns. The first thing, when you log in, you are presented with the campaigns. So whatever the campaign is, you need to create it first. And there are two ways to create a campaign. You can just create a campaign manually, or you can also use the AI campaign. If I hit this create campaign, this is the manual way of creating a campaign, but let's see. If I go and click on this AI campaign, you just need to type the prompt, whatever offer you are giving away, and then just hit this create campaign. It will set up everything for you. For this example, I will just go with one of the example prompts and hit this generate campaign. In a few seconds, it will generate our full campaign. So it has generated the campaign for us, and it named it as well, get our secret sauce recipe and 10% off. That's a good name. In this page, you can see there are a few options. Let me walk you through each of them one by one. First thing, if you notice, this is live. If you want to pause the campaign, you can. If a campaign is paused, it means that no one can redeem it. No one can use any code or any redemption code for this particular campaign. The first one is the link. So link is where is your redemption page? What will be the redemption page URL? You can see we are using this myredeemlo.com. And if I copy this and open in a new tab, this is the default redemption page. We can make some changes in this and make it our own. Let's go back. And you can also see this enable custom domain. So maybe you want to use your custom domain. You don't want to use this default myredeemlo.com. You can simply enable it and connect a custom domain. To connect a domain, you need to go to this sidebar and click on this domains. And here you can add a domain. It's really simple. You just add your domain name and you follow the instructions, and that's all. Your domain will be connected. For this example, I will go with the default domain. So let's go back. And this is the content URL. So whatever content you have added inside this Redeemlo campaign, maybe someone is asking for the content URL inside your help desk or something, you can copy from here and give them. Let's go back to the manage, and the second part is content. So if I hit this content, you can see the AI already has written some content for us, but if you want to customize it, you can easily. If you want to add more element, you can do by clicking on this add element. Maybe you want to add an image or something. This content, by the way, is what they get after they redeem the code. So it doesn't have to be some info about anything. It can be a coupon code. Maybe when someone subscribe for it, you give them away a specific coupon to buy your another product, or it could be an event ticket. It could be anything. You are not limited to a specific content. You have total freedom. It could be a simple PDF file, or maybe an ebook, or maybe you can have some videos in it by using this custom code. You can put some video embedded code, so they will be able to watch your videos. It is limited to just your imagination. So let's go back to manage. And then we have the design. So this is the part where we can customize the look and feel. For example, I have this logo. Let me upload this, and also this fav icon. And I want to change my primary color to something like this. And again, on this, whatever the text you saw on this redemption page, this one, you can customize it from here. And once someone is subscribed or has redeemed the code, they will be redirected to this particular page. You can change the content of this thank you page as well. Or if you want to redirect them to a custom thank you page, maybe it is your upsell, or again, it is a different offer, you can enable this option and redirect them to this particular custom thank you page. And we also have the custom code options here. So you can put some custom code if you want. And similarly, if you want to change this first name, last name, this labels to your language. So we have a few options here that we will be adding more languages in the future, but you can simply select your desired language from here and just hit this save button, and that's all. So if I go back and refresh the page, You can see our changes have been implemented here. So let's go back. This is how you design your redemption page and thank you page and all that. And then the next part is integrations. So with integrations, you can forward all of your subscribers to your email service. So just hit this integration, and but to make it work, you will need to add an integration on this sidebar. So we have these email services available that you can connect, and once you have connected them, you can connect these email services to any of your campaigns. So that's pretty standard. And this subscriber, so in this part you can see all of the subscribers, those have redeemed the code. So you just need to click on this and you will see the whole list of the subscribers. And then we have this redemption codes. That's the core of this thing. So if you click on this, you can see the system has already generated a lot of codes for you. And you can also see their status, that these are not redeemed. You can filter them as well by redeemed, not redeemed, or issued. Issued is when you issue to, or give it away to someone and you want to mark on your end that you have given this particular code, so you don't give this code again and again to different person. So that becomes handy. And from here, what you can do is, if you click on these three dots, you can mark as issued, as I told you, or if you want, you can redeem this code as well. For example, maybe you are running a local business, or maybe you are an agency and selling this service to a local business, and local business has issued a lot of redeemed codes, and someone comes to their shop or their premises and their staff want to redeem the code. They can simply log into this application and click on this redeem code, and you can see this code is already added here. They just need to ask name and email from the customer and put it inside this and mark as redeem. So again, it is really handy for offline businesses as well to generate leads from the offline business. And you will see another option, generate card. Let me first show you the card design. To connect a card design, you first need to design a card. If I click on this card designer on the sidebar, you can see this VIP card. Actually, I had created one. So let me edit it. You can create any number of cards. Here you can see what I have done is I have set up this background color, and I can upload any background image. You can just bring your design here and upload it, and you will be able to see it here. What will happen when this card is connected with a campaign? This QR code, it will be automatically generated. But if you don't want a QR code, you can simply click here and disable this. But if you want a QR code, you can enable it. And this XXX, this particular area will be replaced by actual redemption code. If you don't want to show it, you can hide it. But at least you must have to have either QR code or the actual redemption code. Else the customer will not be able to redeem it. So let me enable both of them. If I click on this QR code, I can actually resize it. It really helps you to put it over your design. So you can resize it according to your design needs. Similarly, with this redemption code, you can make them bigger or smaller, whatever you prefer. And you can also actually rotate them. If I click here, so you can rotate these as well. And we also have this option of uploading the logo. So upload the logo of your shop or business. You can resize this as well. So this becomes really useful once this card is printed and handed over to someone. Let's keep this and go back to our campaigns and edit this campaign inside card design. Let's connect to this one that we just generated. I will select the VIP card from here and connect it. So now you can see it is showing me the preview of this card here as well. So it becomes very clear to me what design I have connected to this particular campaign. If I go back to manage and I go to the redemption codes, let's say I want to hand over this code, or maybe I want to take the printout of this. I will just go there and click generate card and hit on this create card. And that's all. You see the status has changed to issued. And if I click on this again, now I can download the card. If I download it, you can see it is showing me a unique QR code and also the particular unique redemption code as well. That is same as this. So what happens if you print it out or give it away to someone? Maybe you are running a social media campaign where you ask people maybe something like comment VIP and I will send you the redemption code in your inbox. Instead of, just giving away the boring code, you can actually give away this card to them. So it looks good. It may have your website information. Again, I would say it's limited to your imagination. So this way, this card is issued, and if someone scans it, they will be landed on this page and QR code will be automatically filled. This is how you use the Redeemlo, and I hope you will be using it in your online and offline businesses. We will be adding more training to it. Thanks for watching.